Okay, so we're going to embed our new Prezi next into our blog. And as you see on this instructions, it gives you some code. So copy that code. And what I did, I copied it and I put it into a Google Doc because we're going to edit this, and that will be our embed code. And so as you read this, it says find your view link. So when I go to my Prezi, and again, I'm using Prezi next, here's a Prezi. You click on this little arrow. And over here, now right now there is no view link. So you need to create a link for this, for viewing. So if you click create, and I'm just going to enter my name for that. And here now, can you track it for analytics? Require people add their names. So I'm not going to make any of those. And I'm just going to click here and create a link. And now here's my link. So I'm going to copy this link, copy that, copy, and that I can actually close that now and see where it's saving. It will save that link. And now I'm going back to the code. Now where you want it, make sure that the /embed is still there and that the quotes are still there. And where it says your view link, paste that in. And okay, so now I'm going to copy this code. And that will be my embed code for my blog. And as you recall, when we're going to Blogger, I should have had this open, I'm sorry. And you are making a new post. And make sure you're in the HTML part of the new post. Let me close that. So here I'm going to my Prezi and change that to HTML and paste it. And now hit compose, and you should see your Prezi will come up. Sometimes it takes a little while. So I'm going to actually publish that. And if it doesn't, I may have made an error in copying that. So I'm going to check it and see how that works. And again, sometimes it takes a little while for this to come up. Give it time. And if not, it may be, let's go back and make sure we give it time. It's still trying to run it. And if not, we might have to go back to our Prezi. It may be that the setting is set to private, not public, but let's go and read the instructions again. Prezi Analytics, no. So again, that should work. That's the code. Here's my Prezi, and you can track it with analytics. Oh yeah, there's the code. Let's make sure that I copied this right. View, present, and let's go back again, see if it hasn't tried it. So it doesn't seem to work. Let's edit this. So I'm going to hit edit, and I'm going to go back over to HTML and make sure I have, oh, you know what? See, this is where I have 2 slashes after embed. So I want to get rid of one of them. And I do want to make sure I have the right code that I copied. So I'm going to paste that. So HTTPS. And there it is. It copied that twice. So make sure you only have one of those slashes. I'm going to hit update. And now I'm going to refresh this. Let's see if we get some luck here. And again, give it a little time for it to come in. Sometimes it'll take a little while. Okay, so that appears to have been the problem, that double slash before the embed. And again, give it a little time and refresh, and then you click start, and it should play right from your blog. There we go. Yeah, it'll play in your blog. So